Roger that, flight. I'm good.
Tesla goes to the moon, while the Corvette goes to the Algarve. The conditions are almost the same, you'll barely find a Corvette there. But there's just one issue, you cannot legally tune any vehicle there, in which it sucks, we're so limited.
Like I said before, your options are limited, you'll get little to none wheel horsepower increase. I'll say with one email special tune, you'll gain about 30 whp, which is better than no gains. Also your car will have more torque and throttle responsiveness, considering it has like most C7s just above 400 wheel horsepower. Adding another 30 will translate to about 505 horsepower to the crank and about 700 Newton meters of torque, which is fine, that's a fast car from factory already. You can also adjust a few parameters to make your driving experience more subtle, but a full exhaust would be a prime addition to that tune. You would get probably another 35 wheel horsepower. It's a shame the country where you're taking the car doesn't even allow one loud exhaust. You are definitely limited.